Alright, so here is how this is how I'm cutting open the base. So, use my little Dremel tool, and I'm just basically following along the line. But we'll do it that way. And I'm going to go around and open this up. That looks pretty good. And what I'll do is usually just take a screwdriver, pop that out, just like that. And you can get at all these supports, pull those out. And that's that. My voice is a little muffled because obviously you want to wear really good PPE. I got a mask with a filter on. Now that that's cleared a little bit, yeah, use one of these. I cannot stress enough how important it is to have proper PPE when you're working on stuff like this. You do not want to be breathing those resin particles. Not good. Yeah, thanks for watching.